This dance is called You and Me in Paradise. 32 count, 2 balls. And there are 2 tags in this dance. Let me show you the main dance first. Starting with your right foot. Step forward. Side rock, recover for your left. Side rock, recover. Do a forward lock step on the left. Step, lock, step. Step right forward, make a pivot, quarter turn to the left, cross shuffle, cross, side, cross. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Section 2. Hold ball cross. Hold ball cross. Make a quarter to the left, facing 6 o'clock. Another quarter to the left. Big step drag. Ball step. Behind. And walk 1/8 to the left. Forward, right and left. So now section 2 with a count. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Section 3. Rock right forward. Recover, sweep, anchor step. Back, recover, back. Make a half turn shuffle to the left. Half turn shuffle to the left. Make another half turn using your right step back, facing 130, and do a back coaster. Back, together, forward. Section 3 for non-turning option. Rock forward, recover, sweep, ankle step, back, forward, back. Another ankle step, sweep, left back, back, recover, back. Step your right back, and back coaster, back, together, forward. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1. Non-turning option for section 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1. Last section. Lock right behind left. Lock left, forward lock step, forward lock step. Make a 3/8 jazz box turn to your right. Cross, 1/8 turn, a quarter turn, and forward. So last section with the count. 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance facing 6 o'clock. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there are 2 tags at the end of wall 2 and wall 5 facing 12 o'clock. It's a 32 count tag. Section 1 and 2 are repeated at section 3 and 4. So let me show you the tag. The tag starts with your right foot. Step right forward. Make a pivot half turn to the left with the weight remaining on the right. So step left forward. Make another half turn to your left. Step your left back. Sweep right, behind, side. Do a diagonal rocking chair. rock, recover, back, recover, and adjust for quarter turn to your right. Cross, back, quarter forward. Continue, section 3, step, half turn, weight still remaining on your right, step left forward, make another half turn, step left back, sweep, behind side, rocking chair, diagonal, rock, recover, back, recover, just walk quarter turn to your right, cross, back, quarter forward. Let me go through the tag from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance at 6 o'clock and you start again the main dance.